It can be difficult to decide on a mirrorless camera to match your needs with so many models out there to choose from. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 best mirrorless cameras on the market this year based on price, performance, and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which mirrorless camera will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5 on our list is Panasonic LUMIX G9. The Panasonic LUMIX G9 is an excellent all-around contender in the mirrorless camera category, thanks largely to a host of amazing features and some excellent shot quality. The G9 offers a 20 megapixel sensor that reduces pixel noise, especially when sharpening. It also boasts excellent color reproduction, even in JPEG shooting mode. Shot quality is aided by 5-axis dual image stabilization technology, one of the best in its class. Continuous autofocus performance is equally wonderful, as are subject recognition and a high-resolution mode for detailed photography. The G9 also records 4K video at up to 60 frames per second at very high quality, which is excellent for slow-motion video, plus support for full HD recording at a maximum of 180 frames per second. The magnesium alloy body of this camera makes it incredibly durable and resistant to cold temperatures and moisture, which is perfect for photographers shooting in harsh seasonal conditions. The inclusion of a USB-C jack is a most welcome addition both for powering and charging purposes, which gives a photographer options without having to end a session prematurely. There is also the optional vertical battery grip, which doubles the battery life of the camera. There are a few downsides to the G9, most notably a few technical hiccups in electronic shutter, touchpad autofocus, and EVF resolution, but it's still an underrated, high-performing flagship mirrorless camera that is perfect for photographers looking for high-speed still photography and excellent 4K video recording. Number 4 on our list is Canon EOS M100, our choice for the best budget mirrorless camera. First-time photographers or those on a budget will find the Canon EOS M100 more to their liking. It offers a significant bump in quality for those used to smartphone photo quality without breaking the bank. Released in late 2017, the Canon EOS M100 costs around $450. Even though it isn't the newest model on the market, it still has much to offer. In fact, you will be hard-pressed to find a camera this cheap with so many impressive features. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus with phase detection allows you to focus in on your subjects quickly and with minimal effort. You can always expect clear photos that are free of blur or distortion. There is no question that the 49-point autofocus system is lightning fast. This camera's impressive 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor gives you high-quality photos with striking detail that you have to see to truly believe. There is also an intuitive 3.0 tilt-type LCD touchscreen. You will be able to tilt the screen to the perfect angle when shooting or previewing photos you have already taken. You can use this camera with ultra-wide zoom lenses, wide-angle lenses, standard zoom lenses, telephoto lenses, and macro lenses. It is easy to switch between these different lens options as needed while you are taking photos. The smart autofocus tracking feature allows you to lock onto your subjects and focus quickly, so you always get the perfect shot. You will never again have to worry about missing an opportunity for a beautiful photo. This is one feature that can be useful when taking photos of a sports event or even wildlife. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth that this camera also offers make it easy to transfer photos and videos to your mobile device without any cables. You will be able to sync the camera up to your smartphone or tablet within just seconds. This makes it easier than ever to share your beautiful works of art with friends and family on social media. There is also built-in NFC connectivity, which also allows for fast wireless file transfers. Naturally, the EOS M100 isn't suited for professional photographers or those looking for a more fleshed out, in-depth set of functions. It's also not well suited for high-speed action photography, but it does offer fantastic image quality for such a low-price model, plus an easy-to-use software suite and touchscreen controls. Number 3 on our list is Sony A7 III. Sony's A7 III mirrorless camera is a fantastic option for all-purpose photography and video recording without the need for precise detail. It comes equipped with an advanced 24.2 megapixel BSI full-frame image sensor with 1.8 times readout speed. It features 15-stop dynamic range and 14-bit uncompressed RAW format, which is an added plus for intermediate-level photographers looking for more control over their photos. The A7 III has the ability to shoot up to 10 frames per second using silent or mechanical shutter with AEAF tracking. This is especially beneficial for wedding photographers looking to capture that perfect split-second moment. Video capture is excellent, clocking in at 4K 24p, with an optional 30p shooting mode at 5K with a 1.2 times crop. The inclusion of S-Log2 and S-Log3 gamma curves means incredible video quality at high dynamic range. The A7 III has a battery life of approximately 610 shots when using the viewfinder, or about 710 shots with the LCD monitor. You can also record up to 210 minutes of video before recharging becomes necessary. Built-in Bluetooth is great for pairing the A7 III to your smartphone or tablet for more shooting options as well. The A7 III definitely isn't recommended for those requiring extremely high-resolution photographs at high detail, and we don't recommend it for photographers who shoot in locations with harsher temperature zones, but for everyone else, it's a clear winner. It's a feature-packed camera with excellent shot and video quality at a price that's more than fair. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in-depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 2 on our list is Nikon Z7, our choice for the best overall mirrorless camera. We recommend the Nikon Z7 as the best overall mirrorless camera thanks to its impeccable photo and video quality and a host of excellent features that put it at a cut above the others in its class. The Nikon Z7 features a new larger Z mount for amazing optical performance. It has a specially designed 45.7 megapixel backside illuminated image sensor with no optical low-pass filter for astounding visual quality. The camera's 493-point on-sensor phase detect autofocus system lets you get in on your subjects quickly and easily, but it's not quite as high quality as others in its class, and may not be suited towards those who demand the best autofocus performance. You can, however, shoot pictures at up to 9 frames per second, which is fairly impressive. The Z7 captures 4K video using the entire sensor width, and the results are above average impressive. A major plus of the Z7 is the ability to use its video recording features for photography stills, such as the hybrid autofocus system. This lends an extra arm of versatility to the camera that others do not possess. It can record 8-bit video, display time codes and output 10-bit over HDMI, which gives the camera a slight edge against others in its class for videographers. The 3.6 million dot quad VGA viewfinder features minimal lag and blackout with corner-to-corner clarity. The Z7 supports Z Nikkor lenses, 360 f-mount Nikkor lenses, and a number of other Nikon accessories to guarantee shot flexibility for any condition. Its large APS-C sensor, numerous wireless connectivity options, and versatile touch display make the EOS M100 the best overall mirrorless camera. It is a great option that is well suited for beginners and more experienced photographers alike. Number 1 on our list is Sony Alpha A6000. The most well-rounded camera on our list has to be the Sony Alpha A6000. It's no spring chicken, but it offers a wide array of excellent features that make it a compelling competitor for your dollar. The Sony Alpha A6000 has a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor that offers good quality photos with a high level of detail. It has a focus sensitivity range of EV0 to EV20 and an ISO range of 100 to 25,600, which can be expanded to 51,200. This camera boasts a hybrid autofocus system with 179-point focal plane phase detection and 25 contrast detect points, which is among the best in its class. The 25 contrast detect points play a big role in the overall amazing quality of the photos, and we were impressed with its ability to intelligently predict where your focus is going to be. You can record up to full HD video at a resolution of 1920 by 1080 in cinematic 24p. There is also the option of recording at 60p for fast action footage. You will be able to shoot up to 11 frames per second with this camera, which can be useful during sports events and a variety of other situations. And the AF technology tracks your intended subject with consistency each time. You can take up to 360 shots before you need to recharge the battery. While it's not the best battery life of any mirrorless camera, it is still fairly impressive. The 3-inch LCD display on the back of this camera can be tilted up and down to adjust the angle so it's always perfect. There is also a 0.39-inch in-type electric viewfinder, which gives you a full 100% color coverage of the frame. Sadly, there's no touchscreen functionality. Transferring files from this camera to your smartphone, tablet, or computer is very easy with the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity. The most attractive quality of the Alpha A6000 is the ability for anyone to pick it up and benefit from its quality and feature set. Budding photographers and seasoned experts can both appreciate what the camera has to offer, and neither will be disappointed. For that reason, we think it's the most versatile mirrorless camera on the market. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.